Hi, welcome to Promenade at 5. I'm Penny Boyd, one of the site managers here at this beautiful community in Williamsburg, Virginia. We've been open for almost 2.5 years, and we've had over 135 closings already. It's a very exciting place, and I'd like to show you 1502 Promenade Lane. I'm going to take you on a tour. Let's go. So we're inside the home now, and I wanted to point out some of the special features of this Cadenza plan with the game room. We built this house 3 ways, but we're going to show you the way we do it with the 3rd floor that has a big game room up there. So let's get started. I just want to point out how open this room is. You can furnish it any way you want, lots of different options there. We put an electrical outlet here on the floor so you can move your sofa here and not have to worry about a table with a light on it. And then over here is the dining area. You can move your table this way, that way, and we've obviously got a gorgeous deck out here. Now the deck is something that people like because you're up high and you can see expansively. So let me show you. You can also when we did it on this house, we have the screened porch. And you can get it with or without the screen porch, but this 1502 does have the screen porch. And you can see it's nice to be up high and be able to see the way the flying birds can. All right. Now, this bedroom over here, just here, this is one of the 3 bedrooms in this home. And this room is commonly used as an office or a little den. And if you look, you can go to www.promenade@AT5, and you can see the different models actually furnished if you want to see one with furniture in it. But this particular one, I just wanted to show you some of the special things for this one. So we did here in the kitchen, we've got the white cabinets. And I just want to point out, we did some extra things here. Instead of just having all cabinets, we've got some nice pull-out drawers that you can store things in. People seem to love that. Makes a lot of sense. And then this builder is not shy on, adding some nice upgrades. So we've got here our Slate appliances with the double oven. This is great. This thing preheats in no time to make a pizza. And I have one at my house and we use it a lot. So let me show you over here. This is where we have the laundry area, and this is plumbed for a stackable, full capacity, stackable washer and dryer. And you can see we give you some extra flooring if you need that for later use. And then we're not shy about using pocket doors here, so you can close this area off so you don't have to see it, but when you need it open, you can do that, and it helps to maximize the space. And then over here on the left-hand side, if you look, we've got shelving for pantry. So it's some nice area for you to store up some things that you're not using every day, or to get extras when they're on sale. Okay, so let's head back in this direction. And again, we're going to just take a view of this massive space here for you to make your home. Make it just like you want it. You can see all the different opportunities that you might have there. So let's go back to the bedrooms. And sorry, I wanted to show you this closet as well. So you've got a coat closet here. And some people might rather use it as a pantry. You could just add more shelves and make another pantry there. All right, and then we come back in this direction. This house has 2 linen closets, one here in the hallway to service the extra bedrooms, and then we've got one in the master bedroom as well. So we're coming down the hallway here into the bedroom area, and we've got a full bath here with a really nice tub and shower combination. Looks like tile. Actually, though, it's a lot easier to clean, and the builder has been using that for some time because people seem to like the ease for that. And then we also have the chrome faucets, the chrome faucets, the cultured marble here for the vanity top, which is easily cleaned, and ample space here for the hall bath for cabinetry and storing things. And then this would be the 2nd bedroom. So this room is a nice size without furniture in it. We can't see the full space of it, but again, you could go online and look at that to see the room furnished, and it's actually really, really a good size. So you've got your closet over here, and then let's go into the master bedroom. This is a really nice size room. It's large enough. In our model, we had a king size bed, huge nightstands. It's actually large enough that you could have a separate sitting area in here. And I want to point out some of the trim work. If you look up here, we have a wonderful trim carpenter. We've got the tray ceiling in here and all this trim crown molding up there. The builder is really known for their finish details. And I think if you see this, most people come in and they ask us when they look at our models, so is that standard? And of course, the answer to that is yes. Chris is our trim carpenter and he's been doing this for some time, does a fantastic job, and I hope he never leaves us. So come on, let's go back into the bath area. And before we get into the bathroom itself, we've got a nice walk-in closet with a pocket door that closes the area off. But in addition, you can utilize the space over here rather than having a door that opens up into it where you really never get to that area. And on this side, you have a huge closet. So some people say his and her, some people say her and her, and it doesn't really matter. It's a ton of closet space here. All right, and then we'll go into the master bathroom, which I think people are really wanting to make sure that they have their needs met. I know I'm echoing a little bit, but if you look here, you've got the double sink vanity. The trim carpenter also made this mirrored frame, and then so you can see you've got a lot of space there. We've got the nice lighting. All of these fixtures in here are standard. Even the shower, if you look over here, we've got ceramic tile shower. The shower head has the European head that you can disconnect it and use it to spray yourself off and put it back. And it's a lot of space, and I promised you that we would see another linen closet, and there you go. Okay, so let's go out. So now, what makes this one different than the standard Cadenza is we've added the game room. So let's go up there and take a peek at that. Just as I'm going up, I just also wanted to point out that all of the bedrooms, any living area is going to have a cable outlet, and all of the rooms have pre-wired for ceiling fans. The bedrooms and all the living areas pre-wired for ceiling fans. Even the outdoor porch has a pre-wire for a ceiling fan and a light kit. I promised you a game room, and this could have lots of games going on all at once. This is a huge room. It actually takes the home from what the downstairs was just about 1774 square feet. It takes it up to 2339 square feet. So you can see all of the space that we've added up here. So you've got your window. You can divide this up into different sections and use some as a sitting area, some as an office, some as a play area, whatever suits your needs. And so I think we've gotten a good tour of the home here. If you have any questions, if you would like to give us a call, you can reach Shelly and I. You can reach me at 757-719-2300, or you can email us at promenade@roseandwomble.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.